is Navin Kodam and I hold a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering from Mumbai University. After graduation, I started freelancing with Czech as a subject matter expert in statistics and mechanical subjects. I primarily used to provide the best solutions to the students who used to get stuck in any problem. By solving different statistic problems, it really increased my analytical skills and like how to approach a problem and all. Meanwhile, I came across a few use cases of data science and I got impressed by how data can make a business. So I started deep diving into the data science domain and I wanted to get myself trained by guided mentor. Fortunately, I came across AlmaBetter and I secured a job offer from Tiger Analytics with 40 weeks of program commencement. As I wanted to explore data science, I was looking for an institute that provides good quality study material and lectures. And AlmaBetter offers the best curriculum to the students. Also, the pay after placement with a placement guarantee delivers a risk-free environment to learners, which is also very beneficial. All the unique features made me choose AlmaBetter. The best feature of the placement drive was that I was provided with a personal career coach who guided me throughout the placement process. It was beneficial. Also, I appeared in multiple mock interviews which boosted my confidence and prepared me for the actual job interview. So, enjoyed the communication training in collaboration with Utter program as communication is an essential part. AlmaBetter has the most student-centered curriculum. I had done 4 real-life projects at AlmaBetter. These projects plays a significant role in my success. I learned insight into the industry from the best mentors. I faced many barriers during my journey and I learned how to tackle them. Especially the mentorship session helped me a lot. My experience at AlmaBetter was very intuitive. My understanding of each concept is solid, which makes me confident while facing interviewers. This transpired because of the quality of study material and lectures provided by the AlmaBetter. The only advice I can give is to just focus on your lectures and keep practicing every day, which will help you to reach your goal.